Hey, West Houston business owners, I've got some urgent news from Impress IT Solutions that you need to hear. There's a new malware threat in town, and it's targeting businesses just like yours. This one's called Anubis, and it's being spread through compromised Microsoft SharePoint sites. So, what's going on here? Cybersecurity researchers have found that the cybercrime group Fin7 is using a Python-based malware named Anubis to take over Windows systems. This malware is sneaky. It's hiding in malicious zip files that look like normal business documents. Once someone opens one of these files, Anubis installs a backdoor and connects to a remote server. What can Anubis do? Well, it's not just sitting there doing nothing. It can run shell commands, exfiltrate sensitive files, take screenshots, log keystrokes, steal credentials, modify the Windows registry, and even load malicious DLLs into memory. Oh, and it can also terminate itself to hide its tracks. This makes it tough to detect with traditional antivirus tools. Why does this matter for West Houston businesses? Many of you rely on SharePoint and cloud tools to share contracts, job specs, blueprints, and invoices. If one employee downloads a fake document from a compromised SharePoint link, it could give attackers full access to your systems, accounts, and sensitive data. But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has got your back. They specialize in protecting businesses from advanced cyber threats with advanced email filtering, endpoint detection and response, patch management, SharePoint hardening, zero-trust architecture, user training, and backup and recovery planning. It's not just about preventing attacks, says Impress It. It's about being able to recover quickly when things go wrong. That's their mission. So here's the final word from Impress IT Solutions. Cybercriminals like Fin7 are evolving, and they're using legitimate business platforms like SharePoint to sneak past defenses. And small to mid-sized businesses are a growing target. Located right here in West Houston, Impress IT Solutions helps construction firms, contractors, and business owners defend against the latest threats and maintain peace of mind in an increasingly risky cyber landscape. Call Impress IT Solutions today for a free cybersecurity assessment. Let's keep your business systems secure, resilient, and ahead of the game. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.